Hey everyone, how's it going? We have a 2024 C8 Corvette in gloss black. We're going to be doing Autobahn Incognito lifetime warranty PPF on the hood, front bumper, fenders, mirrors, carbon flash trim pieces, and then we're going to ceramic coat the wheels, paint, and glass on the rest of the vehicle. Come check it out. Now I already kind of started pre-treating this before we got on camera. I already took the front badge off. I've already put, one section of, or I've already done one pass of a multi-purpose cleaner. Car's a little dirty, that's okay. We always get dirty cars, that's totally expected. We tell clients don't wash the car, don't allow the dealership to wash the car. If you're gonna be bringing us this car brand new, just bring it as it comes. We've had a little bit of rain in Texas here, so it is kind of dirty. That's okay, that's part of the process. We're gonna give a full exterior detail plus, and I say plus because it's more than just a full exterior detail, because I'm gonna be dislodging dirt from behind the headlights with a detail brush, you name it, and we're gonna get this situated.